I'm record this video because I want to see my house, around this house. So you see, this is a mental hospital. It's very near from my house, and too many trees. You know, last typhoon, I think last typhoon, it's a very strong wind, so too many trees can take down, and walls of this and walls. This mental, wall of mental has been totally distraction. This that wind is totally destructive for that. Too many structure has been destruct, and of course, too many buildings there. Looks you see that in your screen. This is Makati, and if I turn to the left, this Boni is also part of Mandaluyong. This is a Dansalan. Of course, very near in this house is a California Garden. You see that? I think this California Garden starts operating is 2006, I think. Because we're new here in Mandaluyong. There's a start of construction for California Garden. So now, you see, too many buildings, units is also part of California. And you see at a very near this very small building. It's a new buildings. This is a condominium again. And also DMG building. DMG building also the name of the street. Before is Libertad, but now is a DMG. Domingo M. Guevara. So, is the name of the person. I don't know who's the person it is, but I think it's very influenced to this Mandaluyong. So that's it.